Thank you for joining me. I'm Alexandra, and I want to talk about Roblox. They just filed for IP. They didn't file. They went public yesterday. And I generally don't do IPOs for reasons that might become obvious later. But so their main business model is selling virtual collectibles. So obviously they have a game, but the game doesn't make the money, obviously, because it's free. Current stock price $73.90, which gives them a market cap of $40.7 billion. Revenue is $924 million. Earnings negative $253 million, which is not great. So currently they have a PE of negative 44. For PE, also not listed. Can't imagine that being positive. Dividend is zero. I don't expect that to change for obvious reasons. Total assets $1.8 billion. Total liabilities $2.1 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of negative $252 million, which also not great. Kind of don't like the balance sheet a whole lot. Risk factors. Well, generally games are mostly fads, and with a few minor exceptions like StarCraft, World of Warcraft, Counter-Strike, games tend to not be played for very long. But since you also have to include Minecraft, and Roblox is fairly similar in that you can have different games inside the game, I would expect that to stick around for a while, but who knows really. So overall, risk factors are mostly themselves. I don't think there's many outside risk factors. I guess someone could come up with a better game, which honestly shouldn't be that hard. Anyway, this stock clearly has it all. Negative earnings, negative PE, obviously, negative balance sheet. Everything is great. Also, the revenue of $924 million with a market cap of $40 billion is, let's say, questionable. And the growth isn't even that great. Like, sure, it's close to 100%, but for a revenue of $900 million for a video game company, you would expect at this stage to be fairly high. And this is, in my opinion, just not. So obviously, growth investors would be the only group that would be interested in this stock. The problem is, even with 100% growth, it would take them, 6 years to even get to the current market cap with revenue, much less earnings. And so, I don't know. I'm definitely not investing in that. For a dividend investor, obviously, there's absolutely nothing interesting. And for a value investor, the balance sheet is terrible. The PE is terrible. I don't know what to say here. It's just not great. So overall, I don't think anyone should be investing in this right now, and I'm questioning the valuation. Very much questioning the valuation here. Anyway, that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.